Wait, your online store can only be making $6,000 profit per month and sell for upwards of $300,000? What? Let me show you.
All right, so I'm on empireflippers.com, guys. A bunch of people list their online stores for sale here, so I don't recommend buying a store. I'm just showing you the potential of selling your online store when you're making profits. These are all stores that have sold. If you look here, monthly net profit, $6,000. It sold for $286,000. Net profit, $6,200, sold for $273,000. If you could see here, it shows you all the online stores that have sold in that specific monthly net profit.
Now, why did I show you only $6,000? Of course, there's e-commerce stores that are making way more than that and have sold for millions of dollars, because it's super easy to get to $6,000 profit per month if you have the right strategies and systems in place. If you're selling a product for 50 bucks and it costs 15 to 20 bucks to acquire a customer, the product costs you between $10 to $15. That leaves you with $20 net profit. Now, how many units a day do you need to sell to get to $6,000 a month net profit? Only 10 units. Sell 10 units a day with a $20 profit, you'll get to $6,000 profit, and you'll be able to sell your e-com store, if you choose to, for close to $300,000. The opportunities with e-commerce are endless, so stop wasting time, I'm telling you, and go make that money online, baby. Let's go!